Welcome to Duhi TV. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of the business of air travel and learn about the economics, pricing, and strategy behind it all. Air travel is a complex and competitive industry that has evolved significantly over the years. So, let's dive into the topic and learn more. The economics of air travel is a critical consideration for airlines. They need to balance the costs of operating the airplane, including fuel, labor, and maintenance, with the revenue generated from ticket sales. Airlines also need to consider external factors such as the price of fuel and competition from other airlines. Pricing strategies play a significant role in the business of air travel. Airlines use a variety of pricing strategies to maximize their revenue and fill their planes to capacity. These strategies include dynamic pricing, where ticket prices change based on supply and demand, and bundling, where airlines offer packages that include flights, hotels, and car rentals. Airline strategy also plays a crucial role in the business of air travel. Airlines need to develop strategies to differentiate themselves from their competitors and create a unique value proposition for their customers. For example, some airlines focus on providing exceptional customer service, while others focus on offering low fares. In recent years, the airline industry has also faced significant challenges, such as the COVID-19 pandemic, which has severely impacted air travel demand. Airlines have had to adapt their business strategies and operations to survive in this challenging environment. In conclusion, the business of air travel is a complex and dynamic industry that requires careful consideration of economics, pricing, and strategy. Airlines need to balance the costs of operating their planes with revenue generated from ticket sales while differentiating themselves from their competitors. We've explored the different aspects of the business of air travel and the challenges faced by the industry. Thank you for watching Duhi TV. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content about aviation and other related topics. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. We always love to hear from our viewer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.